Hello. I don't know if you can hear me well. I hope so. I'm going to try to speak more clear with a wider, loud voice so everyone can understand me. You ever say to somebody, how's it going? And they say, fine. Fine is there's an anachronism for fine. It means fearful, insecure, neurotic, and emotional. So whenever somebody says they're fine, it means they really don't want to say what's really going on. I found in my life it's important for me to tell you what's going on with me. Today I woke up and I had love in my heart for the world and for everyone in it. And I got onto Zoom earlier and I chatted with some friends and had some words of encouragement and gave some words of encouragement, because that's what we do. We give and we give and we give. And the more you give, the more you get. It's a truism throughout the centuries. So what I do every day is I make sure I be kind to whoever I'm with. I listen to people when they need to be heard. I don't interrupt when people speak. I find that it's much much nicer to be courteous to people and listen. It's a way of giving time, compassion, and compassion is another form of kindness. I say all these things because that's where I come from. From a long time ago, I've always wanted to be a giver to others. And I have done that in my life, and I'm proud of that. I've had hardships, I've had physical hardships, with understanding that in my voice. Some people will say your voice sounds great, and I'm my biggest critic. You probably are too. But what I want you to know is that no matter what your dreams are, keep believing in them. Always believe in your dreams. Dreams are free, so dream big and dream bigger, and believe that all these things can happen. And there's an old saying, if your mind can conceive it and you can believe it, then you can achieve it. It doesn't mean I go on and expect it just to happen because I just happen to believe it can be achieved. It means that I have to participate in having that happen. So now I'm involved with a company that allows me to be patient, allows me to believe in the vision of the company, allows me to see that it's much bigger than anything I ever imagined myself, and I'm open to letting it be that, and I'm open to letting that be shared with other people. I'm not talking so much about it in particular, except no matter what it is that you find, if you find that you believe it and it's not happening yet, be patient, because all things happen, all good things happen to those who wait. So anyway, I'll have more for you on another day. I just want to touch base and give me a like and follow me and tell me how my voice sounded to you, because that's encouragement for me. Thanks a lot. And if you're having a bad day, turn the switch in and insist on a good day, because that is possible for you, because you're worth it. You absolutely deserve to have a fantastic day. So please be kind to yourself and have a fantastic day. Ciao for now. I can't shut this off.